Hello and welcome to Workflow Processes in the CDGC December release and onwards. During today's video, I want to go over the overview of the change, which has been covered elsewhere in more detail, but I want to get more into how to acquire the new bundle and a common issue that we've seen and the resolution to that issue. As of the December release, we've changed how we interact with workflows. I'm starting from our metadata command center, moving to configure as we would before. We're already in workflows and we'll create a new example. We'll call this test, set the event type to approval request for change, and give an asset of a business term and hit OK. Once we move to next, we need to choose a process for the workflow. When we browse, I have a series of assets come up, but in your situation, you may notice that the processes that were there before, the manage asset single step, two step, and three step that were the out-of-the-box workflows may not be available any longer. To retrieve those out-of-the-box items, we're actually going to need to go to the administrator. I've brought the administrator up in this new tab, and we're going to navigate to Add-on Bundles. From the administrator, we're going to navigate to Add-on Bundles, and then to Available Bundles, and then down to the Data Governance and Catalog Workflow Bundle. And we'll click it and install it. And this will give us the ability to use the workflow processes in the manner that we had before. When clicking into the Data Governance Catalog Workflow Bundle and hitting copy, you may run into a privilege ID error, in which case we're going to need to make sure that the user account has all of the roles necessary to actually download this. To ensure that we have that, we can go to user roles, and I'm going to provide these to an example. Here I'm providing this to our role name a test, and I'll navigate to the application integration service here. And I'll want to provide all of these create, read, update, run, and set permissions. In addition to the asset types, we're also going to go to features, and we're going to want to enable data viewer, development, monitoring, publish, and both of our view options, and save. In addition to these application integration, we're also going to want to navigate down to human tasks. And features will give the three listed here, and assets, again, providing all available. And we can hit save, and at that point we'll be able to copy over the bundle as we would normally. In summary, we do have more information if you look on our knowledge base for the failed to copy bundle tag. You can also look in the what's new section of the December release, but we've gone over copying bundles from the administrator and providing new privileges if required in order to retrieve the processes to create workflows in the December release. We'd love to hear more from you. Please reach out to us at either of these sources, and thank you for your time.